sjálf ára húttu. Hvað er þessu maður? Þú hættu þessu. Ég. Hæ, stoppa þeim að hafa fólk. Rullar út. Getur þið fengið kött á þetta?
Are you all right? Okay.
Are you?
I'm fine.
He's waiting because they're trying to print it out. Has this happened to you before?
All the time, people just start fighting. It's crazy. It might be my smell. It might make people fight.
You're very nice. It's not your fault. It's the little midget's fault.
Okay.
I hate him. It's been like this all day. It's ridiculous. Okay, are you ready?
Sure.
Okay. We'll just... Because you're on a tight schedule, right?
I don't know. It's up to Magni. It's Magni's.
Okay.
Magni's show, so.
Yeah. Okay, we'll try again.
Okay.
Okay. Komið sæl og velkomin í Tekin. Ég Auðun Blöndal og hún situr enn hérna við hliðina á mér og welcome Storm.
Welcome. Thank you. I feel welcome.
Yes?
Yeah.
You like it here?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you just landed this morning, right?
No, I landed Tuesday morning.
Tuesday?
Very good. I've been here a couple days.
Okay, so do you like it so far?
It's beautiful.
Þetta eru pappírarnir fyrir þig? Já. Tekið þessu pappírar og tróðið inn í andlitið.
This happens all the time. They're always fighting. It's so awful. It's so terrible. You fucking bitch. Because I knew once it started, once he hit him, I was like, oh, fucking Maggie. God damn it. You hit the storm.
Og Tekin.
Oh, thank you.